Hi guys, in today's tutorial we will be retouching this awesome picture taken from unsplash.com. So first of all I will duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now I will go to brush and I will choose mixture brush tool. Here you can see the settings. Wet is 7, load is 15, mix 90, flow 84. You can mess up with the flow but not do mess up with other these values like wet, lot and mix. Try to make the same as I have if you want to have the same results as mine. I will zoom in the picture and now I will increase the flow. I will increase the size of a brush by holding Alt and right button of mouse. I will apply there very smoothly like this. Now you can see the skin is becoming smooth easily. You just have to keep applying and to see what's happening. You might be seeing that she's looking really good. We do have to take care of this portion at the end of the face. I will apply on the nose now. Always increase the brush size when you are doing on the nose. Now under the eyes. Now the same process on the other side. I'm really interested to start the concept art from the next week. If you are too interested, just let me know in the comments. Wow. Also do it like here, but don't go so much near the lips because it will start messing with the lips texture and we don't want that. Now here you can see it's really easy. If you have some practice, like you do it again and again on some pictures, it will really become handy when you are retouching the portraits. But you can also do on these areas. Let's try, because I always do, so I have to also do this time. Now here I can see here some darkness, and remember, don't ever remove the darkness from the picture, otherwise it will look really scary and it will look not original. You can see before we started messing it around, there was a shadow here and the shadow is still here. So make sure that at the end of the editing the coloring remains the same. Now in this picture the coloring is coming from this side, this, so we have to make sure that some darkness remains here. Don't mix like that, there is nothing. I hope you get the idea. Now I'll make a duplicate layer of this by pressing Ctrl J, and now I will go to filter and camera filter. I can go directly there by pressing Ctrl Shift A. You can see I have came in this beautiful camera raw filter. The first thing I have came here for is the clarity. Don't do that much clarity, otherwise it will look like bogus. Do like 6 to 7 or to 10, and I will do mess with the textures. Texture really admires the pictures. I think yeah, this is looking good. Now we will mess up with the color mixer. I will go into all, and I will now increase the oranges. What oranges does that? It exclude the red color from the portrait. Also increasing the red also improves the colors, like it removes red color from the picture. Whereas saturation, increasing the red will increase the darkness on the spots on the image. That's all we want. We will also increase the oranges to see. That's looking good. Now we'll roam out with the luminance. Oranges. Yeah, that's good. I think that's looking really better than before. Apply OK. You can also go with this final image, but I always do camera filter. Now have a look. This is with the camera filter. This is without camera filter but with the color mixer brush, and this is without anything in the Photoshop. Now reapply the filters. This was with the color mixer brush tool, and this was color mixer brush tool with camera raw filter. If you want me to make a detailed video on camera raw filter, let me know. See you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye.